I've already done dance tutorials on my channel. I've taught you a whole style of dance on this channel. And I know a lot of you are only learning that, you know what I'm saying? Because you want to be dancers. You want to dance. So, what other way to help you on the next step of your dance journey than to show you how to record a dance video at home, just chilling, not doing anything, you know? Start on this hobby, create a video. I went into creation on my a couple of my other videos, but just realize that creation is key to getting what you want. If you want a life that you see in your brain, you got to create it. So today, I'm gonna go through the behind the scenes of how I record my dance videos, what effects I put on them, if I put one, how I then turn those into shorts, TikToks, all of that. I'm gonna be going into detail today, so stick around for the rest of the video. First of all, what I would want everybody to do is practice. Practice a little bit before you go ahead and make the video. Say you know what I'm saying, you danced a few days ago. Now you're going to go ahead and try to record a dance video. Well, maybe you're out of practice. Maybe you're a little rusty. Maybe there's some certain move that you want to do in the dance video that you haven't practiced in a minute. Go ahead and practice up. Watch some other dance videos. See if you could take some inspiration from them, maybe of a concept or maybe a editing style that they use for their dance videos, a recording style they use. Like if they have a cameraman and you can find someone to record, show them how to record that certain way so you get that same effect on your dance video that they have. Second of all, you need to practice again. You need to practice to the song that you want to do. You need to practice to the song that you want to dance to on your dance video. You need to turn on a song, any song you want. It can be rap, it can be pop, it can be whatever style of music you want to do. It doesn't matter what style of music. But if you're trying to get known, you're trying to get a lot more views, I would suggest doing trending songs. My other video I did, I was talking about how YouTube hates me, but I'm sorry for the light. I'm pretty sure that's all YouTubers that use music in their videos. They're all getting copyrighted and they're all like getting mad about it. Everybody gets mad about a copyright strike, copyright claim. It's just how YouTube works. So you're going to have to deal with that if you're going to choose a trending song. Um, but you still have more potential to get into the algorithm because of the title of the song, because of people being interested in the song. You know what I'm saying? If it's trending on TikTok, definitely do the song. And a little tip for anybody, you know, TikTok has trending sounds, and there's a YouTube channel now on YouTube that has TikTok sounds, like the full sound, and you can go ahead and use TikTok sounds, and they're not copyrighted. So just putting that out there. Most of those songs do not get copyright strikes because they are original songs, but they're either remixed, sped up, slowed, whatever you want to call it. So the little robot that scans music on YouTube doesn't have a chance to call it a little copyright because technically it's not. The thing I would say is just be real with the people that you're gonna reach starting to do this. People underestimate what dance videos can do, but you reach a lot of people when you make a dance video, bro. I promise you, when I first uploaded my first dance video, I gained over like 100, maybe 200 followers on Instagram. So I would go ahead and just start recording, bro. You have nothing else to lose from just posting a dance video, bro. Nothing. You have nothing to lose. Your friends might see it, but eventually they'll get used to it if you keep going. You know, they're not gonna keep harassing you forever. They're not gonna keep, tomfoolery going on forever just because you. Sorry, there's a bird out there with her egg. I'm just looking at her, but you don't have to please everybody with your dance video. You know, it's for you. It's for you to be happy. It's for you to try to build a following for yourself. So don't worry about what anybody else has to say. Also, don't try to spliff up anything. Don't try to, make something look nice if it doesn't look nice. Just for a dance video, bro. Don't try to make your room look like the holy grail of rooms. You know what I'm saying? My room, it looks like this. This is my place of living right now. And I've switched up a lot from my old videos where I was recording those at to where I'm recording now. Hopefully, I can invest in a speaker, camera, laptop, stuff like that to edit higher quality dance videos. That is the goal for this year, just to be able to increase my quality. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing. Just trying to get a job and stuff, make money, the normal stuff, and just try to invest into my channel and try to invest into whatever it is I want to do in my life from this moment on. You know what I'm saying? So this is the whole point that I'm trying to teach everybody how to make a video, piece of content for the dance community. Next step is going to be a little more deep, but I feel like it's needed. After you've gone ahead and practiced to your song, practice in general your dance capabilities, you've rewatched my juking tutorial. You know what I'm saying? You've watched a couple of my other tutorials on how to dance, and you're ready to put your first piece of dance content out there. Well, it's not that simple. You can't just, you know, record a video with however the audio is and post it to YouTube or Instagram or TikTok and think it's gonna get a lot of views. No. You have to edit. This is a big thing. Editing. If you guys want to see an in-depth tutorial on how to edit a dance video, let me know in the comments below. That's what you want to see next, and I will definitely do that for you guys, because that is one of the biggest steps that I made a mistake on first starting out. I wasn't editing anything. It was just like, you hear my feet sliding and you hear all that, and you hear my chains jangling, you hear me slightly mouthing the words sometimes. You hear me break something or kick something, it falls. But see, what I'm saying is, if you edit the music over all of that in sync with everything, then you don't have to worry about that. They won't hear you kick anything, they won't hear you sneeze, they won't hear you cough, they won't hear you going whoop because you almost slip, but you catch yourself. You know what I'm saying? They won't hear any of that. They're only gonna watch the dance video and they're gonna see you. That's all it has to matter. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a few editing softwares you can use for this exact purpose. I use CapCut for editing purposes, meaning the cuts in my videos, meaning the transitions in my videos, the text on the screen, the pictures on the screen. That's all CapCut. That's what I use mostly for like vlogs and stuff like that. But for dance videos, I'm basically screen recording the audio. This is for phone editing. If you're starting off and all you have is a phone, pretty much, you're gonna screen record if you can. You know what I'm saying? Download a screen recorder, screen record the song, or download it as a file on your phone. You're gonna go into your editing software, paste that file over your video, sync up the music. After you sync up the music to the T of your song, every beat that you hit in real life, it should be hitting on the song after you edit it. And sometimes it gets a little out of sync, but for the most part, if you keep doing it, you keep doing it, you keep doing it, you're going to be able to line it up to a T like I have been able to. You're going to be able to line up that music every time. You're going to be able to hear it. You're going to hear which one is off, be able to switch the other one. You can hear that one, oh, that one's off, switch the other one. You know what I'm saying? It gets simpler as you go. And that in a package right there, it turns to a dance video. And after you set up your camera where you want, you've danced the way you want, you've came up with the story you want to dance to, edited your dance video, it's time to upload. Now, uploading a dance video can be stressful. You're going to be worried about beforehand and after. Beforehand, most of my worries are they going to like this dance video? Is my audience going to put their attention on this dance video, or will it be the next one down the line that I'm gonna get a lot of likes on? You know what I'm saying? But when you're first starting out, that's not what you should be worried about. You should be worried that you're putting out content, because later on down the line, someone might go through and watch all your content, like all of your content. That's happened to me countless times since I've been on social media doing what I'm doing. It's been like that. Like, some of my posts only had 15 likes. You know what I'm saying? I've posted an old post on my Instagram story, been like, go like this up, you know what I'm saying? Or go send me some likes on my old post. Like that, I get them because I have people that support me now. I have people that are in my circle that are, you know what I'm saying, constantly always ready to show me some support, some love, share my post on their story, or, you know what I'm saying, collaborate with me to get more views on both of our posts. So it's, you know what I'm saying, it's ride or die with YouTube, social media. You have to be posting consistently what you want to do. You have to be building your brand consistently of what you want to do. You know what I'm saying? And in that all goes through to help you become a good creator, a good dancer, a good dream chaser, a great chain breaker of your family line. All of that in one, you will be creating a piece of art every day. Just think about that. A piece of art every day that you can create from the methods I just showed you and told you about. This is what my life has consisted of for a few years, making dance videos. And from dance videos, I've, you know what I'm saying, built up a few things, gotten brand deals, done a lot of things, and I just want to help other people out. So if this is something you're interested in and you like this video, want to see more like it, leave me a like, comment down below something else you want to know, you know, and I'll catch you in the next video. Tempo.